The title of today is $1 Million Property in 90 Days. I'll share with you the student that did just that, okay? And it says the strategic owner occupant method, okay? Buy commercial property and work or live for free. Yes, that is possible, and I will explain to you what that is. You're watching a segment from a Peter Harris live event. Join us for our next live event. Register at commercialpropertyadvisors.com/live. So here's Will. He set a goal, right? $1 million property in 90 days. When he signed up, that's what he told me. And guess what? Will accomplished it. 90 days and $1 million. And Will was what we call the strategic owner occupant method. All right. What does that mean? Here's what that means. It's a commercial word for hacking, right? You all know what the house hack is, right? Look at the left side of the screen. A house hack is you live in one room and you rent the others, okay? In commercial, we do the same thing, except we don't use the word hack, right? We use a commercial owner occupant. You're the owner and you occupy part of the property, where the tenants help you pay the rent and the expenses. They pay the expenses. Your business occupies one unit. And so the benefits are huge. You get control over property. You get the cash flow. You get the tax write-offs. Our guest will share with you how in the first year he saved $44,000 in taxes, okay, with not such a big property, okay? And then also you get the equity growth. This is where true wealth is made, is with the equity growth, okay? So basically, you're stopping building someone else's wealth when you do this. My question to myself, maybe to you, is this like the commercial dream setup, right? When you become the owner occupant, when you hack a commercial property, you get to move in, you choose to pay rent or not, right? You get the appreciation, you get the tax write-offs, you get to pay yourself, and you stop building someone's wealth. To me, that's the dream, okay? And our guest tonight is doing just that. And he's going to share with you his entire story, right? But guess what? You can also do this with multifamily, okay? It doesn't have to be an office building or anything else, all right? So here's how it works. Turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is an apartment building, a 5-unit property. You can live in one and you can rent out the others, okay? So that's owner occupant. You can do that. Now, I'm going to give you a starter option. Look in the right-hand side of the screen. You can also be an owner occupant of a 2 to 4 unit multifamily property, okay? Some of you may know this. If you don't, surprise, surprise tonight. So if you have a 2 to 4 unit, you can use an FHA loan with 3.5% down, okay? Or if you want to use a VA loan, you can do 0% down, okay? And the one rule, if we look at the bottom of the screen, the rule is you need to move into one unit as a primary residence for at least 12 months. So you have to live there for 12 months. So don't just do this and not live in there. You're breaking the rules, and that's like loan fraud, right? You don't want to do that. So you have to live in one, right? And but those of you that are interested in doing any of this, the math has to work out. And a lot of times the math doesn't work out. So not every property this will apply to, right? So, we can show you how to make the math work on a property like this, because your goal, again, is to get 2 things. You want 3 things. You want to get cash flow, you want to get appreciation, and you want to get tax benefits. If you do it on the wrong property, you get none of it. Ever wondered how pro investors find and analyze deals for maximum profit? How to secure financing even if you're a beginner? Or attract and keep tenants for steady passive income? Commercial Real Estate for Beginners delivers simple, actionable steps to master it all. Tap the link on the top corner for your free copy today. Now, if you want to scale with your multifamily, right, you can sacrifice a year by living in one, and then you can scale to retirement. You can scale to financial freedom. Here's how this looks, right? I'll keep it very simple for you. I turned a half-hour presentation into one slide, right? So you're going to buy a fourplex with a VA loan, the FHA loan, low down payment. You're going to buy a great deal. So you're going to buy it priced under market, okay, in an appreciating area. It's going to build up in value over time. Step two is you're going to sell it and you're going to 1031 exchange into a larger property like a 12 unit. Okay. I'm saying all this because we've done this. Okay. And then step three, you're going to refinance the 12 unit. Then you're going to buy an 18 unit. And then you're going to increase the rents, let it ride for a while. Then you're going to sell this 18 unit and you're going to buy a 40 unit property. Okay. And guess what? This is not happening overnight, folks. As I mentioned, commercial takes time. This will take years. But the big question is, but where would you be if you took no action? Okay. You can say, hey, Peter, this is a great plan. But my question to you is, let's get started. Okay. Let's do this on the fourplex. Let's do this on the fiveplex so we can get to step four. Okay. But if you take no action today, by 2030, you'll be exactly where you are today. Okay. Where you don't want to be. Everyone knows who this guy is, right? That's Arnold, right? And why am I showing Arnold? So before he became famous, and while he was being famous, guess what he did? Arnold started small. Arnold hacked a 6-unit property. Arnold was a owner occupant long time ago, and now he has a $300 million portfolio. Here's what he did. He bought a 6-unit in Santa Monica for $240,000. He actually borrowed the money, okay? $27,500 down. He lived in one unit and rented out the others, right? And then he did this so he can support himself as a bodybuilder. He was living, one event to the next. He eventually sold it for $400,000, traded up, and kept scaling through what? 1031 exchanges, right? 1031 exchanges allows you to sell a property. Then when you sell it and you buy a larger one, you don't have to pay taxes on it. The taxes are deferred. He kept doing this until look where he's at now, $300 million portfolio, okay? So if Arnold can do it, you can do it too, all right? I did it, all right? So the key is he got started. My key was I got started, okay? I got started with a really small property. You can do the same. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.